Hey everybody, welcome. So, we are going to see some of the little gifts that we got that I ordered. Anyway, how's everybody doing today? I hope all is well. It's a wonderful day today. So, let's see first. Oh, I needed these. These are baking papers for my air fryer. Yes, I needed these because I ran out. That way, the less you have to clean up when you use the air fryer. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, now what is this? Guess what these are, guys? Let's open this up. Oh, it's always good to have these. Guess what these are? Disposable toilet seat covers. There's so much stuff. So, let me see. Oh, yeah, these are interesting though. Disposable toilet seat covers. Who don't need these? Oh my gosh. What else do we have here? Ooh, washing machine cleaner. Yeah. So, easy to clean and deodorize. Throw it in there in a washing machine, clean it, boom, bam, boom, done. You know? So that's so simple. Gotta clean the washing machine. Oh, so I had to get this. Ooh, 3-in-1 lady shaver set. Woo. Ain't that nice? Ding, ding, ding. Oh, so I bought this little light bulb. You put it in the toilet. This is for I think it's good for men. So at nighttime, click, they ain't gonna turn the light on, and they won't miss anything. Bing! The original light bulb. Nice, huh? Yes. Oh, so I got me some. You always need these. So these are some disposable gloves. Oh, they ain't all that. Look, I'm gonna have to wear two pair at a time. Let's see. I always have to use these, so let me see. Yeah, I think I have to put two on. Yeah, these are extra large. And then, so let's see here. I also have these. These are extra large. These are a little heavier. I think these cost a little more too. Yeah. See, I put them on in. See, I always gotta have my gloves. What else do we have? Oh, this is a sink caddy. Let's open this up. I have one of these, but see? Ding, 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 ding. So, that goes there. What else do we have here? What is this? What's this, guys? Oh. What is this? Baby, I don't even know what this is. Let me see. Oh, it's some kind of belt? A sweat belt? Yeah. This is right here is a waist trimmer. Let's see this. Oh. Happy sweat. Happy sweat. This is a size large. Oh. And what else do we have here? Unboxing. Oh, this is an umbrella. Let's see how big this is. A little mini one. Not all that big, guys. But, oh well. If I can just leave this in my pocketbook in case it rains. So that's that. And let me tell you, anytime, it might be an emergency, you never know. But because I had a trucking company before, and I was on the road a whole lot, I find these to be very useful. Now, you figure this out, ladies. Kind of small, but anyway. You know what that is, right? Yeah, I don't have to tell you. I don't have to tell you. I give you instructions. Bing! When you gotta go to the bathroom in an emergency. I'm telling you. And I know we ladies. It has to happen sometimes. Okay, so. Let's see. Let me put this umbrella back in here. I don't even know if I want it in the case. So, what is this? Let's see what this is. I ordered so much things, I don't even know. Let's see. What's this? Oh, this is a knife sharpener. You see? Knife sharpener. Ding. Yeah, I needed that. This is for my suitcases, you know, to put on the wheels. So you have to get these extra ones, you know? Because you guys know I've been traveling. Sometimes the wheels might, you know, get all messed up. So I figured let me order that. This, I wanted to get this. And this is garlic. You put the garlic in here. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me open this up. See? Put the garlic in there. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Ding, ding, ding. So. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. So, yeah. I hope this, yeah, see? Put the garlic in there. Smash it. Let's see what else we have here. This. What did I buy this for? I buy this for a potato peeler. Yeah, I think so. Peel my potatoes. Yeah. Okay, so now these are disposable washcloth. Towels, I'm sorry. See these? Look how little the towels are. Let's open one up. Let's see. Wow, it's so small. Let's see. Let's see. Huh? Am I supposed to? Let me see something. Hold on. Let's take a look. I think you have to wet this. Let's see here. Let's see. Nope. Let's see. Ah. Look at this, guys. It's expanding. Look at this. Woo. You see that? Wow. And this is kind of heavy. Heavy duty. It doesn't rip. Oh, wow. This is a towel, washcloth. Look at that. Wow. Then we have this little one. Let's see how this works. You have to wet this. These are disposables, like when you travel. Uh-oh. Look. See how wet it? Look at that. Oh, shit. Look at that. Wow. So you see, from that little round circle to this, you wet it and that's it. Then you can wash up or whatever. And this is a big one. Wow. Amazing. From this little one to this, once you wet it. Let me see. I think it's, no. Let's see. I think it opens up. Yeah. It opens up bigger than that. Look at that. From this to this. Amazing. Ooh, the things they make today. Let's see, what else do we have here? What is this? Ooh. I'll tell you. And I have another big, big box, but what is this? Oh, this is my salad shaker. Oh, I remember back in the day, McDonald's used to sell salads in the cup. You know, and that's where I got the idea that when I put my salad dressing in a plastic bowl, I would just shake it up, and it just spreads out kind of evenly. But look at this big one. So you put a whole lot of salad in here. Comes with a little fork. Oh, that's nice. Yes, darling. Bam. Let me see, what's this? Ah! You can put the salad dressing in there. Ain't that cute? Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Let me see. Can I fit this in here? No. Let me see. Oh, this is so nice. Salad on the go. Even when you're home, you can do it. Or this is good for people who go to work. Nice. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I really like that. I really, really like that. So I got some good things here. Really, really good things here. Yes, TikTok and you don't stop. All right then. I hope you enjoyed it.